to the No Bra Zone. I am so glad to see you guys. I'm celebrating because of y'all. I'm about to hit 7,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel in a very short period of time, and I am so grateful. I'm having so much fun with this, and you guys know that. It's just a blast for me hanging out in my happy place here in Hilton Head Island and getting a chance to paint almost every day for a few hours. So I am so grateful. So we're gonna do something special again for 7,000 subscribers. I'm gonna be giving away one of my paintings. And I'm gonna make you work a little bit for it. In this video, there are gonna be seven pictures. And we're calling it, Where in the World is Kathleen? So there's gonna be 7 pictures that are gonna pop up in this video you're about to watch for the big mega black and blue swipe that I did that I'm so excited about. It's so pretty, guys. And when these pictures pop up, there are going to be little hints. Now, at the end of the video, you're going to see all 7 of the pictures with more hints. And you're going to need to guess where Kathleen is in these pictures. And they're good hints, guys. It's not going to be really difficult. Now, what I want you to do is do not post your answers in the comments, because then you're helping other people with their guesses. So send me a message on Facebook at COZ Creations on Facebook, or you can send me an email and I'll post my email address here for you. So keep your answers to yourself. Send them to me on Facebook or send them to me in an email, and then everybody who gets the answers right, your name goes in a handy dandy hat, and Rick and I will pull your name out of a hat and we will mail this to you. This is one of my favorite paintings. I don't know if the light isn't catching it well or right, but it is so shimmery and so soft. Now, right now it has a couple of coats of a high gloss varnish. I'm thinking I might top it off with a satin varnish, so it's a little bit more muted, but I'm gonna leave that up to the person who wins it. And maybe Rick will put a handy dandy frame on it, as long as it's not going too far. The last 2 giveaways, after we framed them and stuck them in the mail, it was like over $200 for us to send these guys off. So it's a nice painting. I'm really proud of it, and I'd love to share it with y'all. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me with your comments. I wake up in the morning and that's one of the first places I go, because you all start my day off with such a nice smile. Come here, buddy. Foster Mojo Bean, guys. He's my partner in crime down here. He never leaves my side. So from Hilton Head Island to all of you, thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Talk to y'all soon. Good luck, everybody. Hello, painting peeps, and welcome to the No Bra Zone. And excuse this glare. I promise it'll be gone here shortly. I am working on a big fella today, and I apologize. I think it's an 18 by 40. I will check that. My base coat is Artist Loft Black. I'm going to post all the paints and a picture of the paints at the end of the video. we're gonna do a black and blue swipe, and I'm hoping it works out because I used a lot of paint on this big fella. So, and I also spent about an hour trying to adjust these darn lights. It's really hard to videotape with a black canvas. So let's talk about our colors real quick, and then I'll get quiet, put some fun music on for you, and try to get rid of this glare. So, Artist Loft Black on our base. Our swiping colors today are Deco Art Extreme Sheen, and that is the sapphire color, and that's yummy. We also have Deco Art Deep Sapphire, also in the extreme sheen. I hope you can see that. Once again, I will post a picture of all the paints. Golden Ultramarine Blue. Oh, I doubt if you guys can see that. We also have Golden Iridescent Pearl. And our final color is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Aqua Marine. So we're getting our black and blue on and a little bit of pearl in this guy, and I am hoping that it is successful. If not, I'm going to be sad, and about $10 poorer for the whole bottle of Artist Loft Black that I used on this guy. Our pouring medium is what it usually is, 75% FLOETROL to 25% GAC 800. Let's get rocking and rolling, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Oh my goodness. I hope you can see this. The pearl, the iridescent pearl in this is just kind of laced over some areas, and it's just absolutely shimmery. And the aquas and the blues together, I mean, you can see all of these cells. Now I'm going to come back to it again. I think you saw me kind of over torch this area. You can see it really well right here. What that does is it kind of brings up the black base coat. And I was hoping to get just a little bit more black in through here, like you see it here. And I'll come back and torch that again. Sometimes you have to wait a little while for things to settle down. But guys, this is really cool. I really love it. I'm not gonna pick it up and show you a close-up because this guy is heavy, and I wish you could see him at this angle because it's really cool, and I'm very, very, very happy. So, wow, it's a good life, guys. I am so grateful. Thank you all for joining me, and like always, I will miss you guys until I see you again. Happy painting day or happy painting evening to each and every one of you. Bye, guys.